Hello everyone, I'm Grumpus, and I've got a problem. I've struggled with it for a little over 5 months. I know I'm not the only one. I can't take it anymore. Now most of you will brush this off as no big deal. You know who you are. You with the kettles and the mountains and gas grills and such. But you don't know the irritation, the frustration, the sleepless nights, the anger. Most of us, we just suffer in silence. This nightmare has to stop. It has to stop today. Please stay tuned for a public service announcement. For those of you interested, I've set up a support group at youtube.com/GrumpusOnFire. There you can share your feelings, you can share your story, you can tell how you've gotten through all this. No one will be judged. Well, that's my take on this burning issue. Maybe we can sleep tonight. Hey, if you like what you've seen today, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I'm Grumpus. Thanks for tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. We'll see you next time.